Hi, my name is Laura Clausen and I'm a staff scientist here at Science North. Today we're at our Healthy Shoreline Demonstration Site located on our outdoor grounds of Science North and the edge of Ramsey Lake. So at the Healthy Shoreline Demonstration Site we have over 40 different species of native plants. These plants help to support our native and local wildlife habitat. Today we're going to look at one specific family of native species. We're showcasing here our family of aster plants. You may have commonly seen these in roadsides, meadows, grassy areas. This is the New England aster. It has the deep purple petals, and it's very important for supporting wildlife habitat. They're a good source of food. They provide seeds for our seed-eating animals like birds, and they're also very important as a nectar source for our pollinating insects. Bees and particularly butterflies flock to these looking for a good source of nectar, particularly in late summer and autumn when most other plants are finishing their bloom cycle. If you take the monarch butterfly species, for example, they're a migrating species, and because there is a lack of nectar sources at this time of year, they still need to find these locations where they can stop and have a source of energy. So these aster plants are an excellent source of that for them. Here we're looking at our smooth and panicle-leaved asters. These are a pale purple or lavender colored aster, and there's really quite a wide variety of species of asters, so you have a lot of options in terms of what you'd like to incorporate in your garden. These have the same qualities in terms of supporting wildlife habitat, and these ones in particular are great in drier or more drought-like conditions as opposed to the New England asters that we were looking at that can tolerate a lot of moist conditions. But all the species are really quite adaptable to most conditions. There's also other species such as the whitewood aster, which is an actual white-petaled aster, and those are great in treed or forested areas, so lots of options to choose from. The challenge is to actually find and source some of these. So it's really important to look for true native plant species when you're trying to support habitat. You will find a lot of varieties of asters in gardening centers at this time of year, but the important thing is to look for that species name or Latin or scientific name specifically to that plant. There's many varieties and cultivated plants, and although they're really great to have, they're beautiful, they're ornamental, they're very showy in your garden, they might not actually contain that source of nectar or other property that's really required to support the habitat. So it's important to do your research before you go and buy your plants. Look for that Latin name or scientific name of the plant, and then bring that with you and compare it to the labels on the plants that you're looking to buy. You can certainly contact us here at Science North. We'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. So go ahead and experiment. There's lots of different colors and varieties of asters to choose from. The more varieties you incorporate into your garden, the more biodiversity value you're adding, and the more aesthetically pleasing your garden will be.